Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study as a night owl. First, embrace your natural rhythm. Don't fight it. Identify your most alert hours, which for you are likely later in the day or evening. Next, create a dedicated study space that is quiet and free from interruptions. Gather all your books, notes, and supplies beforehand so you can dive straight into your work without breaking concentration. This preparation is key to maximizing your unique productivity window. Your environment plays a huge role in effective night study. Make sure your study area has ample, comfortable lighting to prevent eye fatigue during those long hours. Consider using a desk lamp with adjustable brightness. To combat late-night distractions, minimize noise by using noise-canceling headphones or choosing a secluded room. Keep water, a healthy snack, and all necessary stationery close by. This setup ensures you stay focused and comfortable for extended periods. To truly maximize your night owl advantage, structure your study time wisely. Try breaking your work into focused intervals, such as 45 minutes of intense study followed by a 15-minute break. During these breaks, stand up, stretch, or grab a quick drink to refresh your mind. Tackle your most demanding subjects or complex problems during your absolute peak hours, when your mental energy is at its highest. This strategy leverages your natural alertness for maximum retention. Consistency is vital for sustaining your night owl study routine. Aim for a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, to maintain your circadian rhythm. Fuel your body with nutritious snacks like fruits or nuts, and stay well hydrated with water throughout your study sessions. Avoid heavy, sugary meals that can lead to energy crashes, and limit caffeine intake several hours before you plan to sleep. This holistic approach supports both your studies and your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.